Also see what are the consequences with cybersecurity failing in healthcare. Financial losses. So if we take about AIMS case study, it had been affected with the ransomware attack, where 6 days operations were stopped, everything. And the doctor and nurses had to use their pen and pencils to give the prescriptions, and whole patient's data has been lost. And of course it is financial loss, and the attackers demanded 200 crores of money to decrypt the files. And operational disruption, as we just now talked about digital records, where we don't have patient history, and how do we diagnose them, and if somebody is very critical, then it is very severe to his or her lives. Reputation damage. Let me take a case study of KD hospitals in Gujarat, where it was very reputed hospital, but it got attacked by data breach, and its sales got decreased by 90%. No one admits their patients in that hospital, because when they can't safeguard the patient's data, who will do that? Admitting. And coming to life threatening risk. For example, uh, do you people know about pacemakers in the hearts? It will help your heart to control the beats. Okay, actually, pacemaker is an IoT device which will, yeah, which will help you to control your heartbeat. And if the IoT device has some vulnerability in that, attackers can remotely access it and change the settings, or increase the signals, and which might cause patient death. And also insulin pumps. If you heard about diabetes patients using insulin pumps, these pumps are used to maintain the sugar level in the body. And if these are hacked, you can just increase or decrease, which can again cause life threatening risk.